Question number 14. Show that point A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square. So first of all, you have to draw a figure. Square, you know that how to draw. Mark the point A, B, C, D. Write here all the vertices. Like as vertex A coordinates you will write, vertex B coordinates you will write, C vertex coordinate you will write, and after that you will find out AB, BC, CD, DA using distance formula, and you have to prove all sides are equal. But all the sides are equal in case of rhombus also. So what will make the difference between rhombus and a square? You have to prove that diagonals are also equal. So it is written, prove all sides equal and diagonals also equal. So with this you can prove that the given figure is a square. Question number 15. Show that these are the vertices of a rhombus. So in rhombus, you can simply prove all the sides are equal. That means you will find out AB, then BC, CD and then DA. Find out and all the sides will be equal and you can say that these are the vertices of a rhombus. Now, question number 16. Point A, B, C, D are the vertices of quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral? Nothing is mentioned. But here one coordinate is missing, unknown, A, and you have to find out A is negative with this condition. Which condition is given? AB is equal to CD. So children, you know that quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Mark the quadrilateral as A, B, C and D and write here all the coordinates of all the vertices. Now what is the condition given to you? That is AB is equal to CD. Children, you know how to find AB using distance formula. According to distance formula, x2 that is minus 6 minus x1 that is minus 3 and minus minus will make it positive. So it will become minus 6 plus 3 whole square plus y2 is a minus minus 2 will make it plus 2 whole square. That is the value of AB is equal to under root CD. Let us find out CD. In that case, x2 minus minus 3 will make it 0 plus 3 whole square. Then y2 minus 1 minus 4 will make it plus 4 whole square. Clear children? Now both the side square roots are there. It can be removed by squaring both the sides or root and root can be cancelled. Now minus 6 plus 3 is plus 3 and plus 3 square is what? 9. How to expand a plus 2 whole square? Using the identity a plus b whole square. What is the identity a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab, that means 2 2s are 4a, equals to 3 square is 9 plus 4 minus 1 3, 3 square is 9 is equal to, inside what you are left with now, arrange it properly, a square then 4a, 9 plus 4 is 13 is equal to 9 plus 9 18. Now transpose 18 this side, a square plus 4a plus 13 minus 18. That is minus 13 minus 18 is what? Minus 5 is equal to 0. Now student, it has become a quadratic equation. A square plus 4a minus 5. You know that how to solve quadratic equations you have done in class 8th. Arrange the equation properly either in ascending or descending order. Already arranged? Highest power 2, then 1 and then 0. Then the next step, multiply first term with the last term. What will you get? Minus 5a square. Now children, you have to split 5 in such a way that after multiplication you will get 5 and after plus or minus you will get 4. What are the factors of 5? 5 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 5 and 5 minus 1 is 4. That means this combination is satisfying our equation. So what children, what we'll do in the next step? First term as it is you have to write, last term as it is you have to write, and write the combinations which you have selected. Which combination? 5 and 1. So write here 5, write here 1. and use the same variable which is used. Which variable is used here? A. So write A with both the factors which you have written. Now what is the sign of 4A here? Positive. So between these two numbers, whichever will be greater, 5 is greater, will have the same sign. So what will come here? Plus 5. Okay. Now we need 4A. We need to subtract, then only we'll get 4A. So plus, what sign should be here in order to subtract it? Minus. Plus minus minus. Then only it will become 5 minus 1, 4A. Then the next step is to make pairs that we already made. Now what is common in this pair? A. Inside you are left with A plus 5. And in this pair what is common? Minus 1. Here what you will get? A. Minus is already taken common and the sign will change to plus 5 is equal to 0. Now A plus 5 is common in both and then you are left with A minus 1. A minus 1 and A plus 5 is equal to 0. So children, from here there are two possibilities. Either A minus 1 is equal to 0 or A plus 5 is equal to 0. So if A minus 1 is equal to 0, what is the value of A from here? 1. And if A plus 5 is equal to 0, what is the value of A from here? Minus 5. So these are the two values, 1 or minus 5. As it is given that A is negative, it was given in the question. So which value is negative? Minus 5. So we'll take this value. This is your answer. Okay. Mark 17th question is very important question. The vertices of triangle are this, this and this. Find the coordinate of the circumcenter of